road car, which is actually perfect. Hi, it's BlondeKyiv, and today we're in the X Park. It's an extreme park where you can do a lot of activities. For example, in summer you can rent a boat or kayak or relax on the beach, do aerotubing and more many things. But now it's not summer and it's very cold, so I tried this off-road car riding. It can go to the mud on high thresholds and even to the river. It's a huge car, which is actually perfect for Ukrainian roads. I know it will be interesting for guys that wheels 1.6 meters diameter and motor 1.5 liter. So let's check it out. The price for 20 minutes ride is 500 hryvnia, it's around $18. Here we are. And here I don't know what to expect yet. Every second I was thinking this car turned over. So I decided to swap places, thinking it's not shaking as much and I'll be not scared as much. This driver decided to show me slow ride on the hill. I even don't know what is most scary for me, stopping like this or fast riding. But in this part of riding I fell in love. I guess this car very popular here. To be honest, in some moments I really enjoyed, and in some I was scared. So that's all for today. Please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe my videos. I also have Patreon. Please feel free to support my videos and I can continue making more. And bye back at the library and improvement. Bye!